The correct answer is letter B. The airport is about 2 hours drive from the city.
The correct answer is letter A. The company lost its biggest client last year.
The correct answer is letter C. The teacher's room is at the end of the hall.
The correct answer is letter B. My sister-in-law's car is getting fixed.
The correct answer is letter A. Ben's and Leo's lockers are on the left.
The correct answer is letter C. Both forms are correct.
The correct answer is letter A. Mia and Nora's laptop is new.
The correct answer is letter B. He saved a year's salary to buy the car.
The correct answer is letter B. Carlos's restaurant is busy tonight.
The correct answer is letter C. The Smith's house is on the corner.
The correct answer is letter A. The women's jackets are new.
The correct answer is letter A. The student's homework is difficult.
The correct answer is letter B. The boys' project.
The correct answer is letter C. The student's books.
The correct answer is letter A. Mr. Brown is Maria's teacher.
The correct answer is letter C. Alex is Peter's brother.
The correct answer is letter B. Daniel's sister lives in Canada.
The correct answer is letter B. My friend's parents are visiting.
The correct answer is letter A. She has 5 years' experience in marketing.
The correct answer is letter C. The beach is only an hour's drive from here.
Hey English Go Getter, you finished the quiz. Now click the link in the description to download the free worksheet. And if you want, share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video, English Go Getter.